Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So, ito yung dito ko kami ngayon sa bahay, no? Pinsan niya. So, ito yon. Lumabas yata yung partner ko at saka yung pinsan niya. Diyan lang sa labas. So, yung asawa ng pinsan niya ay nasa work ngayon. So, ako naman nagkakape. Pupunta kami ngayon ulit sa kapatid ng tatay niya. Mamaya. So sila ay taga-Israel. So hindi sila mukhang Amerikano. Mukha silang taga-Israel. Mahaba yung mga pilik mata nila. Ang ganda ng mga itsura nila. Wala sa itsura ko. Kape muna tayo, girls. Kape muna tayo, mga sisi. Mga kababayan. What do you call this? Pizza? Manakish.
Manakish. Manakish.
Manakish. Is this a bread?
Yeah, that's bread. That's the dough.
Oh.
She makes the dough and she spread on it that and she put it in the oven.
This looks nice. Hello.
Do you have sugar?
Sugar, that's a good question. No one uses sugar here.
I know.
She said,
We tried to.
Hello. Hello. May upo sila dito. Oh. Ayan. May tanim silang upo. Asan ba yung upo? Ayan. Yan. Yung tanim nilang upo. So, ito yung garden ng kapatid ng tatay ng asawa ko. So, ayun naman yung bahay nila. Yun yung greenhouse. Pinapasyal ako dito sa paligid ng bahay nila. Nung kapatid ng tatay niya. What kind of...
Taking picture? Yes.
What kind of chicken is this?
Want some eggs?
No.
Take picture. Yeah, we have
Eggs
more.
again, yes.
We have about 200 eggs inside.
We always have eggs at home because of
What kind are these?
his dad.
With the hair on the leg.
That's I don't know
What
what's
kind
the
of
name, but
chicken is
they
that?
order it online. These guys, I think.
What's wrong with that one?
That one, coyote.
Oh.
Not coyote.
Fox?
Ngayon lang ako nakakita nito. Oh.
Raccoon.
Ang kapal
Yeah,
nung
but now it's survived.
di
It's
balahibo
fine. It
sa
was so bad
paa.
condition. It couldn't walk at all.
Ito yung tinapay nila. I-taste ko. Diba natin?
So usually we eat that
Mid sauce?
with tea.
Good man, yeah.
With tea
What kind of...
and tomato if you want. You know, tomato, cucumber if
No
you
ketchup.
like. What? No.
Ketchup.
Ketchup is not our food. No ketchup. Ketchup is not good.
What is the name of this?
It's got Lebanese in it and cheese.
يمكن من تحت لازم تطلاي جو الفرن من تحت لازم تطلاي
Joe?
ببسها بنص كوباية زيت زيتون. الأول زيت زيتون.
She had olive oil also.
بعدين بحط المي وبالاول الملح يعني مع الزيت.
Maliit lang siya. May buhaya din sila, you know. What?
Me too. I love picture.
Does the video set this up?
No.
Oh, when I make it, she's so busy cleaning the vegetable. But
What?
it's easy.
This is a meat.
You should. I need to try her pancetta though. It's really good. So when you're so you go.
We're going to eat a hot pot made by Christine. This is Christine. The wife of my husband, Kat. We're making a hot pot, Cambodian food.
It's universal actually.
The hot pot?
Yeah. But everybody they make different,
Mm-hmm.
you know. Yeah.
The Chinese cook
Chinese
same
is
like
different.
this.
Chinese is different. I like the way
I'm gonna post you in my YouTube.
Oh my god.
That's how.
Don't post when I'm ugly. Post me when I'm pretty.
I saw this in Korea. They made the hot pot also in Korea.
Yeah, Korea a lot. They make a lot.
No, not today. I won't be able to do this time. Yeah, sometime I would love to come down.
Honey, can you go bring the hot pot for me, please? In the basement.
This time I won't be able to.
Yeah, the red. Yeah, it's in the. Maybe put rice in a small bowl. Then it's over there. Choice. Yeah. A small
Which
bowl.
one?
I think we can use this one. It's fine. Yeah, these 4 of them.
Just 4? Or each rice?
Yeah.
Fully?
Welcome here.
Yes.
How much rice they want? Just one.
Maybe a little more.
You might want to add more
Okay.
after the food is good.
Mm-hmm.
And here's chopsticks and
How
spoon.
much per?
Yeah, that's good.
We're done preparing the food. We're going to have a mukbang.
A mukbang.
Mukbang. So yan yung aming dinner. Christine prepared everything. It's a beef, it's a noodles, rice noodles, soup, it's a shrimp, kangkong, kanin. What do you call kanin in your country?
What is it, kanin?
Rice?
Oh, you call kanin?
Yeah, kanin.
Rice is mai.
Mai?
Mai.
Oh. Mushroom. This is the mushroom. Makbubukbang kami ngayon. Last night namin dito sa bahay ni na Christine. So, mukbang. Our last night. Uwi na kami bukas. Bukas, tomorrow.
Oh, really?
Don't move too fast.
Oh.
Just leave.
Really? All right, yalla. Have to go. And yeah, talk tomorrow. Bye.
Talk to him tonight after you eat.
Yeah, after we eat, yeah.
Whatever.
Yalla.
Yeah.
Yeah, honey, if we wait for you, we will not eat. Come on, let me do it. Let me finish it. What you are doing? Let me.
What is that?
Peanut. I ground the
The
peanut.
peanut. Can I take a video? You mind if I video?
Yeah. That's peanut. Smells so good.
Secret recipe?
That's still beef.
Secret recipe.
Beef.
Is this beef? Pork?
Beef.
I
Let's
said
see.
I slice
Did you
it.
turn it on? Oh my god, guys.
Oh, yeah, I turn it.
Honey, did you turn it on?
I turn it. Maybe Joy turn it off.
Oh my god.
No!
I turn it on and you turn it off.
Oh my
How do we
god.
do it?
How?
Try to turn
Love,
Which
did you
way?
turn it?
Yeah, just until the
Yeah, it's
the
on.
red.
It's on?
Yeah, the red. Yeah.
Make it all the way.
Wait,
Is it on?
I don't want.
there, that's
Put
on.
just in one. Maybe they don't like their peanuts with that.
It's good.
Oh, really? Okay.
How do you know?
Maybe I see.
That's what for me.
Love, while you're taking a video, just say something.
This is my cousin, Walid,
Hi, everybody.
his beautiful wife, Christine.
Yeah.
And this is the hot pot that she makes. It's so famous. Cambodian hot pot.
She helped me. I made, man.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Walid showed her how to make this years ago.
Yeah. Wally showed me how to make and Joyce.
How about you?
How about
You should
me?
make this also for me.
Yeah. Right?
Okay, let's enjoy. So you put the shrimp in first?
Because it takes a little bit more. And then you can dump whatever you want.
How many times you had hot pot?
Just the ones.
Just the
Oh,
one time
really?
you remember everything.
Wow.
Pick it up.
That's okay.
Do you mind?
No.
Does it bother you?
Can I put beef?
Yeah. Put beef. So we put 2 pot, however you want, Derek.
Yeah, I'll put
And what's
beef
this?
For everybody.
That's spinach. It's Asian water spinach. It's called. It
Mm.
grows in water.
The crab meat?
Like crap. That's imitation.
It's okay.
It's not.
We like imitation crab.
You look like hungry. No.
Hmm?
You look like hungry dog.
I'm ready. I have my chopsticks ready.
Kakain na kami. This is a mukbang again. Mukbang.
talaga. Mabuti. Tama ba? Alam ko. Oo, talaga.
Magmumukbang kami.
Sa dalawa,
Ayan,
tatlo.
napakasarap
Police,
na-
police!
Walis! Bilis! That's
Okay,
bilis,
guys.
love.
Yeah,
That's
you can
walis.
use it to take the meat.
Okay.
If you want. Here's tongue.
I was gonna trick it.
Oh,
That's cooked.
And you have to eat slow, okay?
Yeah.
This kind of dish,
Enjoy.
you eat slow, you
Enjoy
enjoy, you
it.
talk.
you eat slow,
I know, I'm
love.
so used to eating so fast. You don't understand how fast I eat.
Yeah,
So
don't eat that.
fast.
No,
Like
no,
you
no,
have
no,
to
no.
chew.
Don't choke
I
yourself.
don't think so. It's true.
Alright.
We don't know how to enjoy slowly with the food.
Yeah.
I'm so used to working,
Shovel it,
eating
yeah.
when I work, standing up and eating.
Yeah.
I like mine a lot of vegetable. Okay, I know your meat is so dry.
Okay. Oh, really?
Yeah, look, Joyce, the meat is all dry. See
Yeah,
that?
put it for me. Anybody want shrimps? Fried
How
shrimps?
to dip all the
Has to
noodles
be-
here?
No, the shrimps is too much cooked here.
You dip the noodles in there?
Yes, I did.
Look, you can.
In the sauce?
In the sauce.
And the juice.
We put that over there.
in the juice.
Nothing na juice.
So you would normally put coconut milk instead?
Yes, I normally put coconut milk, but I ran out, so I put a little bit of half and half. Just a little bit. Just only 1 tablespoon. I don't like to put dairy in food
Too much rice.
Too much?
I put too much rice.
Ubos. Love your say ubos.
So the
Ubos. Ubos.
My boss?
Ubos.
Ubos.
Ubos. It means you eat it all.
My bowl?
Ubos.
Ubos,
Love.
empty,
Ubos.
empty.
Empty.
It's empty. You eat all the food that you.
No, I didn't eat it.
Ubos.
Ubos.
Ubos. I wish I could just get other languages.
Well, it is good with languages.
Yeah.
Ubos. Sabaw na lang naiwan. Sabaw, love. This is the soup. Sabaw. That's sabaw.
The
Sauce,
language is
not
so
soup.
Easy.
Sauce. Sabaw. Sabaw.
Their language is
Sabaw na lang naiwan
Much
ng
easier than
karne.
So easy.
much easier than Arabic.
Arabic, oh my god.
That's very good. So good.
The most
In Tagalog.
difficult language.
Umbals.
No, love.
What?
The delicious.
Now you mean to speak
Yeah.
in Cambodian or
No. In my language.
what is it?
Delicious. Masarap.
Masarat. I knew that. Well, what is it in your language? Delicious?
Chingan.
Shenyang.
Chingan. Cambodia.
Shenyang.
Cambodian is Chinang,
Chingan.
Shenyang.
not Chinang.
Chingan.
Shenyang.
It's delicious. Masarap chingan. Is that it?
And what is it
Did
in
I say
Arabic?
it right?
What's delicious in Arabic? Hold on.
Sake.
Zaki.
Shage.
Zaki.
Zag.
Zaki.
Zag.
Delicious.
Zag.
This is zag.
Like I'm a Zaki. Zaki.
Oh, really? Zaki.
Zaki.
Is that a Japanese?
Just a Zaki or Tayyib.
I heard Tayyib.
Tayyib, like Tayyib. And they say Tayyib is okay. Either way, it can be Tayyib, like almost also delicious, yeah.
Dahil kami ang nagluto ng pagkain, sila maghuhugas.
Yeah, tell them your husband is doing the dishes. And first and last.
This is, yeah.
We have been in college. We learned how to do that in
Learn how to
college.
do first and last.
My union. So what do we do? The chopsticks in here too?
Tapos na kami kumain, ubos, lahat.
Too many.
Naghuhugas na yung mga lalaki. Hanggang dito na lang.
Too many dishwashers in this kitchen.
Magliligpit kami. Love more.
Get the one with the 3 men. What's it? I don't know. I don't know the name. He wants to get out. He tried to say everything. I said no. You're not out. You're in. You're still in.
What, you bring one at a time?